Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get instant BullX access. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to get instant BullX access for free and only in few steps. First, you have to open the Telegram application in your computer or laptop. After that, go to the search option and type BullX and click on the official chat of BullX after that. Click on Start from the menu option and then click on Logging after that. This will open in your browser. Now you have to click on the Connect to Telegram option and then connect it to your Telegram. Right after that, you BullX instant access is granted. Now you can trade using the BullX application. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to get instant BullX access. In very easy steps, there is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thanks you.